Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Wednesday, May 1st, and we did our grocery shopping. You'll actually see this video on Thursday, May 2nd, but we always shop on Wednesdays. We didn't need a whole lot because I just did a huge weekend haul, but I shop every week regardless of what I get anytime during the week, just so I can make sure I stock up on things. So I went to 3 stores today. I went to Harris Teeter, Food Line, and Aldi, and we were able to get a couple things. So my budget today was $60, and I think I pretty much stayed within that budget. So let me share with you the couple things. Again, I was walking through the grocery store trying to find some things to purchase so we could stock up. And I could have saved this week's grocery budget and just put it in next week's, but sometimes I like to just have things on hand. So I picked up things we use the very most, and I'll share with you what we got. So we got some salted butter. This is moveless at $2.99. Harris Teeter cheese was on sale for 97 cents. 4 was the weekly limit. So you used to be able to get 4 every shop trip. Now you can only get 4 as the weekly limit, so I picked up 4 bags. The Harris Teeter veggies were 4 for $5, so I picked up 2 onion pepper blends and then 2 broccoli florets. We got our regular toilet paper at 2 for $3. No, it's $1.89 today. And then 2 paper towels were 49 cents each. We picked up baby spinach at $1.99. Foam plates, I think they were $2.99. And then 3 of these sparkling waters. I also picked up a big thing of water. And so between those items that I purchased, it was $32. I did not use any coupons at Harris Teeter. So $32 at Harris Teeter. Then we went over to Food Line. We were actually going to the puppy store where we were getting Ma'am some puppy. They have like a puppy treat bar. And Food Line is right next door. So I went to look for manager special meats. I looked for meats at Harris Teeter. They did not have any. So I picked up a couple steaks. These are the boneless beef chuck steaks. One for $3.13, and then we got one for Trendon at $1.71. Then we picked up 2 Halo tops at $4.99. So I spent right at $14.10 was at Food Line. Then we went over to Aldi to see if there was any last minute things that we needed. And we found fresh zucchini, $1.59. Picked up some cinnamon, 95 cents. The kids found these Gatorade Zeros, less than a gram of carbs. They were 98 cents. Spinach was $1.39, much cheaper at Aldi. We picked up these organic baby cucumbers because this was all they had. It was like $3.29. And then we got 2 paper towels for $1.99. And we spent at Aldi $11. So 11 and 14 is 25, and then 32, so right at $57 and some change on my $60 budget. So that is what we were able to pick up. Now I'll share with you our menu plan. Okay, you guys, so here is our menu for May the 1st through the 7th. I have some traveling that is coming up. Of course, we grocery shop on Wednesday night, and that takes us through Tuesday of the next week. Tonight for dinner, we did garlic parmesan chicken wings, chicken thighs, sorry. We usually do chicken wings, but I had some oven fried chicken thighs, so we just used what was left. I used up my leftovers. Thursday, I have a business trip out of town, so the kids are going to do wrap sandwiches. Trandon will be here with the kids. And you guys, look at this. Okay, so can I just say this? I am not a subscriber to HelloFresh because it is a little bit outside of my outside of my price range. But somebody gifted the kids and I with 3 free meals. So HelloFresh is being delivered to our house. We are not sponsored by HelloFresh, just a kind person won a gift card, and they forwarded the gift card to our family. And so that's going to be tremendously helpful. It is the 3 meals for 2 adults package, and you can get that for like $20. So we do have a link down in the description box below. If you want to click on that link, you'll get $40 off of the 3 meals for 2 adult package. or it may just be $40 off if you get the other package. But if you get the 2 adult meals for 3 package, it's going to be like $20. It's the same one that Blessed Jess talks about. So there is a link in the description box. It is the One Mom link. So if you click on that link, it'll just take you there. Now, I will say this up front. If someone makes an order using our link, we do get a referral credit. That is the only way we will be able to continue to do HelloFresh. So I don't plan for this to be something that I can afford on my salary, because that has just not ever been my testimony. However, if you choose to order something using our link below, then we will get a referral credit, and that would help us out towards future HelloFresh weeks. But for right now, this is the plan. I've already skipped next week, and I'll skip the week after that because it is not in our budget. But we are going to do the sirloin carne asada tacos, and the kids are going to use their low carb taco wraps. So I will just pass along those other taco wraps that come in the box. I will do an unboxing of that for you guys so that you're able to see what that looks like. On Saturday, Alana wants to do sloppy joes with spaghetti squash. We do have all of the things we need for this. On Sunday night, now normally our friend comes over and eats with us on Mondays, but I have my ladies meeting on Monday nights, and sometimes we're pushing it to try to finish up dinner because she comes like at 6. And then I'm trying to push it so I can have a few minutes to review my notes before the ladies meeting at 9. So we're moving our dinners to Sunday afternoon because the kids and I eat a big meal for lunch on Sunday. It's middle of the day. That way she can get back home before late, and then we can have the rest of the evening to relax. And I'm not running into my ladies meeting for Monday. So we're going to do another HelloFresh meal with the roasted pork tenderloin. And then our last one, because remember we got the 3 meals, is HelloFresh. This is the saucy thyme steak. So 3 HelloFresh meals: the sirloin carne asada tacos, roasted pork tenderloin, and then a steak one. I was very, very thankful. Hadn't even considered doing HelloFresh because of the, it's just not in my budget to think about. My budget is really small. And when somebody just gifted that to us, it was a beautiful thing. We don't know how long we'll keep that link open, but for right now, it is open. So again, if you order something using our link, which is in the description box below, we will get a small referral credit. And then finally, for Sunday, I had some zucchini. I was trying to use my food processor to slice it, and it did not slice. It actually shredded it, and it's kind of soupy, so we threw it in a freezer bag, threw it in the freezer. So I think I'll just do a zucchini soup of some kind. I'm not real sure, but I'm gonna find a recipe that's a keto friendly recipe, and that is the day that my mom is supposed to come, so we'll have a nice warm meal for her when she gets here. So anywho, that is our menu plan for the week. And the only day that we're gonna be able to do Taekwondo from this next week, well, they're closed on Friday because they're just closed. I'm going out of town tomorrow, so the kids won't be able to go tomorrow, but it's closed Friday, it's closed the weekend. We don't go on Mondays. My mom is coming Tuesday, so they'll go back to Taekwondo Wednesday of next week. So we don't have a lot of running around to do. I am speaking Saturday at a ladies conference, so this is a maybe meal. It's at 3 o'clock. We should be back in enough time to cook dinner. So anywho, that is our meal plan and grocery haul. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button. Also hit the little bell. Share this if you feel like it will be helpful to someone. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.